thought I'd spend some time showing you a little bit more of my shopping. I've been doing the shout outs to people in the Facebook group, and I thought I'd start these. So give me some feedback. If you like these, hit the like button, just hit the like, or subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think. This was today's shop, and I didn't get a ton of things, but these are kind of the highlights of what I got. The heavy cream was on sale, so I have 3 sitting on the table, but I actually got 5 with the holidays coming up. I know that we'll be going through some cream with desserts and things, and so that's the heavy cream. Notice it's not heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream has a bit higher milk fat, so I got that. I also went to our local Harris Teeter that has the breakfast bar, and part of their breakfast bar is bacon, and this is, I need to look at my receipt. This is the bacon I got, and I usually check it, but this is close to a pound probably of bacon. Actually, probably not even half pound. Well, he'll find the receipt, and it's such a great price. The whole food bar is $8.99, but cooked bacon is really light. And so that's why I love to go on Saturdays and Sundays. They have it 7 days a week, but I really like to go on Saturdays and Sundays and get this. And this is not, I won't eat this all in one sitting, but this is something that will last. We can just kind of warm up through the week. And if you'll notice, there's some pieces in there, and that's because I get the crispiest bacon I can find. I also tend to get the pastured eggs when they're on sale. Pastured is a little bit better than grass-fed. Now, I also buy Aldi's eggs. I buy whatever is on sale, so it doesn't have to be pastured, but I like their eggs, and they were on sale. I also picked up some pate, and now it was on sale for $6. It's like 1 gram of carb for every 2 ounces. What I love about this is it's just pork liver, onions, spices, garlic, parsley, and salt. And I actually, you see what I got here? I got some chicken livers. I'm actually going to try to make my own pate. I know not everybody loves livers, but I love liver and I love bacon. So I figured if I put some bacon and some chicken livers, I'm going to fry up some bacon, then I'll fry the livers in oil. And stay tuned. I'll let you know how that goes. If it's a good recipe, I'll post it. And if you'd like that recipe, let me know in the comments. Okay, and then I got steak. This was probably the priciest thing I bought. It wasn't on sale, but New York strip is Jonathan's favorite. And steaks are so fast. I can put these in a hot skillet. Just a few minutes on each. Actually, with Jonathan, it's more like 5 minutes on each side. For me, it's more like 3 minutes on each side, but depending on the degree of doneness. I talk about this in Crazy Busy Keto, how this is like such an easy and fast weeknight staple. I usually don't pay this much for them, but these are 2 really big steaks, so probably David and Jonathan will enjoy those this week. And then I got some frozen okra. It's not terribly low carb, but I got that because David wants some jambalaya, and that recipe's on the YouTube channel. It's also in my book Journey to Health, but if you have that one, but David really loves that. So, and I had everything else I needed to make it, and I got this uncured pepperoni. It was on sale for $3. And you'll just hand me that receipt. I can look at it and tell quickly. And then this is a broccoli salad I got. David loves this kind of salad, and so I bought this to make something for him. It was on sale for $2.50, $1 off, made it $1.50. And then I was super excited to tell you guys about these things. These were on sale. They're usually $4.99. I would never pay $4.99 for this. It's a charcuterie plate. It's made by Applegate, which we know they have really good things. But what's really cool about this, it was on sale for $1.50. So for $1.50, and I need to just pull off, I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to eat it, but it has in it some salami, some cheddar cheese, salted almonds, and it has dark chocolate chunks. Now, together, the whole thing is 18 carbs, and I would bet you most of that comes from the chocolate chunks. So I'll enjoy the salami, I'll enjoy the cheese, and I might have some of the almonds, and that's it. And so I think that would make it, and not do the dark chocolate. But for $1.50, I bought this because this is something too that Grace could enjoy. They had 2 different kinds that were $1.50, and this one has salami. It has pepper jack cheese, so instead of cheddar, it has pepper jack. It also has 2 things I wouldn't eat. It has the sesame sticks and dried cranberries. The whole thing is 26 carbs, but I'm sure it's all in the sesame seeds and the cranberries. But anyway, I wanted to share that. There were several other things, and I'll post on social media, either on Instagram and on Facebook, the photos, but I found other things that were really good options. Oh, and the chicken breast, they're $1.99 a pound. I did get that because I'll add my own fat to it, but David wants me to make chicken curry, which I think there's a YouTube video. I know it's in Journey to Health. So I'm going to make chicken curry, and There was something else. Oh, for the jambalaya. I'll use the rest in that. Now about that bacon, let's see where we were with that. Gosh, I don't see it. David says it's 4/10 of a pound and was $3.25. Okay, yeah, 4/10 of a pound, not quite half a pound, and it ended up being $3.20. And I'm telling you, if I did a pack of bacon, I should count, but I mean, there's a lot of pieces in here. But if I cooked a pound of bacon is going to cost me that much, and it won't necessarily give me that much yummy bacon. So I'm always so excited. Not only is it already cooked, and I have that instant gratification of bacon, but it's also a really good price. Anyway, I hope that this shopping haul was helpful. Again, comment, like, subscribe, and we can do more of these. Thanks.